How to reset the home screen layout back to the default on the Samsung Galaxy S6 or the S6 Edge. Now first press on the home key to go back to your home screen and swipe down. Tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on applications. Then tap on application manager. Now tap on the more button at the top and choose show system apps. So swipe down and tap on Touch with Home. And in Touch with Home, you want to tap on Storage. And then tap on Clear Data. Tap on Delete. And then press on the home key. Now you can see the home screen now has been reset back to the default layout. So let's go back into the settings again. And we'll tap on Apps, Applications, and Application Manager. And you want to go down. So I'm just going to choose Show System Apps. And we'll go down to the Samsung. So there's quite a lot of them in here. So Touch with Home. So it's got a storage in here. I'm just going to force stop it. Storage, clear cache, clear data, delete everything. And then press on the home key to go back to the home screen. So it's pretty much we set it back to the default. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.